This may not look like an example for integration by parts, but when we've got ln, one of the ways to deal with this is to introduce a factor of 1. That's not going to change the value there. And also it gives us two functions now, excuse me, one being one of the functions and ln x being the other function. So using integration by parts, we've got u equals ln x, so u dash is equal to 1 on x, and we've got v dash is equal to 1, so v, so the integral of 1 is x. So we know that integration by parts, the rule is the integral of u v dash dx equals uv minus the integral of u dash v dx. Now doing the substitution, so the integral of u was ln x and v dash is 1, so that's just ln x between 2 and 3 dx is equal to u is equal to ln x, v is equal to x, so I'll put that at the front so we don't get confused that it's ln of x times x, and that is going to be between the values of 2 and 3 minus the integral. U dash is 1 on x and v is equal to x dx, and that is between also 2 and 3. Okay, I'll just leave this as is and we'll work that out in a minute. So that'll be the integral of x ln x 2 and 3 minus, you can see that the x's will cancel, and that is why we introduced the 1. And so the integral of 1 dx is simply equal to x. So the integral of 1 dx is x, and there'll be x between the value of 2 and 3. Now we can do our substitution in. So we put 3 in first, so that'll be 3 ln of 3 minus 2 ln of 2 by putting the 3 value in there, minus putting the 2 value in there. And then that's minus, and put the 3 in, minus 2. That'll be just the 3 value for x minus 2. Since the course does not allow calculators, so we'll just leave that as 3 ln 3 minus 2 ln 2, and then that's minus 3 minus 2 is just 1, so that'll be just minus 1. There is your answer. So when we get ln x, we can introduce a factor of 1, and that does not change the value of that function. And then the substitution is u equals ln x and v dash is equal to 1, and we then use integration by parts. This is a definite integral, so we don't have plus c, we actually substitute in the values of 2 and 3, and we get our answer.